Without question, Miele is the best laundry you can buy. It is, however, almost $1,000 more than Bosch's best compact set and almost double the price of the average compact laundry pair. So what makes it so good? In this video, you'll learn all the best features of the new Miele compact washer and heat pump dryer, as well as possible alternatives to the Miele. Unlike most of our laundry videos, we're starting with the dryer because how you vent the dryer determines which set you should buy. The Miele dryer is truly revolutionary. It is a heat pump but requires only 110 volt instead of 220 volt like every other dryer. A heat pump is a high efficiency compressor, not regular drying elements. Instead of pulling air from the outside, the heat pump will recirculate air in the dryer itself. The dryer does less drying in a Miele because the washer is incredibly fast at 1600 RPMs, or 4 times faster in spin than a top load, so it pre-dries your clothes. Miele also has mineral sensors. If you have hard or soft water, Miele will calculate the precise time by employing these mineral sensors. It will automatically adjust drying times depending on the minerals left in the moisture from your clothes. Miele's two best machines have TwinDos, or an automatic dispenser at the bottom. You can have bleach and detergent dispensed automatically. Both will be dispensed at different times for maximum effectiveness, unlike most machines dispensing at the same time. You also have the option of using Miele detergent caplets. They're designed for special applications and stains. You can use them for silks, outerwear, wool, and synthetic fabrics. The detergent and water are more evenly distributed from the top and bottom, rather than just the bottom like every other washer. The detergent and bleach are also mixed more evenly between the two pumps. Miele is also Wi-Fi enabled for counting down cycles and remotely powering on and off through an app. Now you know the new features, let's look at some of the best older features to Miele laundry. Their perforated honeycomb drum is the best for fine washables. During the wash, the drum allows the clothes to float on a sheet of water rather than touching the sides for a more gentle wash. If there's a knock on Miele, it would be price. The best pair is $3,700 or $1,000 more than the best Bosch 800 series pair. So should you buy the Miele compact laundry? There's good compact laundry out there for less money. If you wash silks or other fine fabrics, Miele is the only one capable of handling them correctly. The dryer is also the most efficient on the market using the best technology. So if you're looking for the best laundry, your answer is Miele, but you can consider Bosch and other brands for far less money.